Welcome back, guys. Today we're having a very nice math problem to solve. What is 4 minus 4 multiplied by 4 minus 4? We have here 4 minus 4, which give us 0, and 4 minus 4, which give us 0. 0 multiplied by 0 is equals to 0. So this is what many people are going to do here, but this solution is wrong. Now, to solve a mathematic problem like this one, we need to use the order of operation PEMDAS. Parentheses, exponent, multiplication and division, then finally addition and subtraction. So in this expression we have a subtraction and we have a multiplication. So according to the order of operation PEMDAS, we have to start here by the multiplication before doing the subtraction. So we're going to erase this and we take the correct answer. That is, we start by the multiplication. 4 multiplied by 4 is equals to 16. Now we're going to copy this and this. So we take this now here, 4 minus 16 minus 4. Okay, now we have 4 minus 16. This is equals to negative 12. And negative 12 minus 4. This is equals to negative 16. Okay, so the correct answer for this expression is negative 16. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe to receive more videos like this one.